From the Weather NorCal Command Center, this is your morning update.
Well, happy Tuesday morning to you. You know, we're taking a look at the forecast here for today and really the next several days. And, you know, when we look at the forecast, we're not seeing much change in the overall forecast itself, but we are seeing a lot of change as far as the overall pattern is concerned. So let's get you right into it. First of all, highs the next couple of days are going to remain near normal, especially for the inland areas in Trinity County. And I don't expect any major heat waves in sight. In fact, big drops in our temperatures by the end of the week and this weekend. So just in time for your Labor Day weekend. It looks like we have some beautiful weather in store for us, but there may be a kink in that, and that's right here. Showers by the end of the week and through this weekend. So if you have any camping plans, there's a chance you might get some rain. I don't expect a ton, but there's going to be some rain in the forecast, which we'll get into here in a second. All right, let's talk about the smoke because, I mean, this is something that's been really an issue for a lot of you. And we're going to continue, as long as these fires are burning and producing all that smoke, we're going to continue to see those smoky skies. So we go into this evening here, and there you can see some of the smoke, especially western Siskiyou County, but Trinity County seeing the smoke, eastern portions of Del Norte and Humboldt counties seeing that smoke as well. So hazy, smoky skies will continue today, and not to mention even into tomorrow. However, you'll notice as we go into Wednesday morning, a lot of the smoke and haze will begin to dissipate. But this smoke forecast really does depend on how active the fires are and what those winds are doing. So it's something you just got to keep monitoring every day. Now, we do expect those hazy, smoky skies for the inland areas today, eventually reaching low 80s and then in the mid 60s for the coast. And when we take a look at Trinity County, we're going to be looking at pretty much the same here. We're talking about the potential for more haze and smoke there. And then we're also looking at temperatures in the low to mid 80s. So temperatures are actually starting to drop already. But we look at Futurecast, and this is the chance for rain I was talking about. You see what's going on here? Thursday, the clouds are moving in. But for the most part, it's looking fairly dry. That being said, by Thursday night, we may see some activity in northwestern portions of the state. So it could bring us some much needed rainfall, hopefully just not in the form of thunderstorms at this point. Now we take you into Friday. There's the overall chances for rain. That's going to continue to be the case for the coast. Not to mention Saturday. Now this is the American forecast model that we're looking at. It's known as the GFS forecast model. It's taking rain out of the forecast on Sunday. If you look at the European forecast model, different story. It's keeping the rain in there for Sunday. So for now, I'm keeping the chance for showers in there on Sunday, even though this one's saying it isn't. We'll keep a close eye on it for you. But as we go into Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday of next week, that rain should pretty much be out of here. But the temperatures are going to remain at bay, and I'll show you why. All right, so this right here is what's going to kind of move on out. But we've got this cooler air, and it's going to break away from the upper level pattern. And what we're seeing here is this pocket of cooler air. Now that's coming in this Friday. This will also be our first chance for showers and thunderstorms, especially in the higher elevations, but even the coast could see some of that rain as well. This will eventually kind of die out and move to the east. But look at this. You see this right here, another shot of cooler air, another shot of cooler air moving in. What that means for us is that's keeping this heat from expanding into our region, and that keeps our temperatures at bay, and we don't see them really warm up a whole lot. Now, whether or not we see rain out of these systems will depend on just how far south they come. If we get that to kind of come over this general area, then yeah, we got the rain. But if it stays to our north, then the rain's to our north and we remain dry. So, of course, it bears watching, but at least for now, it looks pretty confident that we'll see those cooler conditions. Now, looking at the wave heights as we take you into today, not a major issue, but notice what's happening here. We're seeing the wave heights really begin to increase on Wednesday, and there are small craft advisories going into Wednesday, but not necessarily for today. That's why I don't have any advisories in there. But again, keep in mind, as we go into Wednesday, different story. Now, your low tide, depending on when you're watching this, will be at 5:22 this morning, so most likely we'll have passed at that point. So by around the noon hour, we're beginning to see, of course, that high tide at about 6.1 feet. As I mentioned, no advisories today, but that'll change here for tomorrow. All right, so here's what we have in store for us for your Tuesday. Now, I've got the sunny skies there, but keep in mind, I think there's going to be some haze. There's going to be some smoke out there, especially for the inland areas and not to mention Trinity County. But temperatures are actually dropping a little bit as well. Low 60s, low to mid 60s for the immediate coast. Now, we look at your 7-day outlook, and here's what it looks like for now, right? Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I've got a chance at least for showers along the coast. I think your best chances for now look to be on Friday. Chances are a bit slimmer for the coast on Saturday, Sunday. Now, for the inland areas and for Trinity County, for example, I think each and every single day, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, chance for showers, and especially a chance for thunderstorms in Trinity County. Now, that's obviously a concern. We don't want the thunderstorms, but the rain will be a welcome sight. And the other welcome sight will be these cooler temperatures. So if you have outdoor plans for your Labor Day weekend, keep in mind you may be dealing with some wet weather here. Not a ton. I don't think it'll be a washout or a rain out for that matter, but keep in mind that if you're going to be out there camping, you may be dealing with some of those showers out there over the weekend. Now for the coast, for Eureka, you got the dry conditions through Thursday, and just like that of Crescent City, I've included a chance for showers for your Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and for your Labor Day, a high of 64 degrees under mostly sunny skies.